G'day! Welcome to the top of the world, down under, Australia. And the tasting table build. Build it like that.
Like that, that's how I want to do it. Like that. See, look, it fits. Beautiful. Cut, mould, moldy, screwy, and put these things across.
Okay, let's do that. Let's put them here.
Like that.
Yeah. Yeah, so that, you see where our initial marks are? Right? So that becomes the top of the shelf. Because I reckon we'll get 4 staves in that way.
Yeah. And that should pull in.
Well, that's not going to pull in, but it's going to pull in once the crossbars are on. The whole point is the crossbars, because that holds the legs together.
I'll be seeing curves in my sleep.
You will be seeing curves in your sleep, absolutely. 920. Oh, that is from a hog. 920. 920. 2, 8, 4. 126. 60. Find the center! Yes! Find the center mark. So welcome back to the tasting table wine stave build. Now that NAFE has decided to rejoin us after having a little bit of an emotional moment with the fact that wine staves just aren't straight and square.
I had a dummy spitter up.
Dummy spit. Sure. That's what Aussies call a dummy spit. As in, I'm angry. Pooey! Spit my dummy out. That's okay. These things can seriously make you do that. Because trust me, don't tell him this, but my dummy spits involve the throwing of power tools. Standard 4-hole configuration. That's the beauty about making something originally too, just quietly. You can always change things on the fly, you know. Doesn't quite work, try something else. Just as long as you're happy with the standard at the end. No worries. So what we do now is we mirror roughly the look of the screw holes up top within reason. I mean, you know, you gotta be practical about these things. Never fails, you know. I always put a clamp on somewhere where I need to drill. Never fails. Does everybody else do that? I do that all the time. Make comments in the comments below if you do that. Or if you have a U-Butte solution for not doing that. And put that in the comments too. Put one in and that way I can get rid of this blasted clamp. Did you write that in the tips? Yep, know that one. So now, what we need to do is work out. Eh?
Line them up, mark them.
Yeah, pretty much. Line them up and mark them.
Mark the other side for you.
Yeah, that'd be good. I'm just shoving them, not doing any sort of measurement or centering or anything.
Yeah,
so
do the bottom baby.
yeah,
There.
yeah. So I can't. I'm sitting low, so you need to tell me how they. Or basically, the arc at the bottom of the stave, like the bend, has to be in the centre.
Yeah. I'm just going to get them like that first. Ish.
And then they can go spread out a little bit so that. Yeah, it's not going to be super level.
It's not going to be level, but the arc is what I'm lining off at the moment. Well, no, it's sort of.
Yeah.
Quarter of that, you've got it right there. There.
No, it's pretty close.
Pretty close.
Well, let's just move these ones right out so that we get maximum width between the legs.
Yep. Ooh.
Angles
So
a bit funny,
I think we should go a little bit out.
All right. Well, maybe is there another wider one, or like how is the overall width of these? They're pretty much the same, aren't they?
Yeah.
All right. Well, spread them what they call equidistantly.
Equidistantly.
That's a really deep word for saying make them look like they're evenly spread. Equidistantly, evenly spaced. Technically that's not. Yeah, well that is, but sort of, you know. So that the spaces between all of them are the same. Good enough?
Yeah.
All right.
Put some pressure on them.
Yeah, let's do some line marking. Why am I marking? I've just wrote 1, 2, 3, 4. You know where I wrote them? On the bits I'm cutting off.
Oh yeah.
That was smart, wasn't it? Your life is now complete.
I can see the end. The end of the curved wood.
Till the next job.
It's been fun.
No, it hasn't.
Enjoyable. And I'm very ecstatic that we're finishing it.
Yes. All right, here we go. Over to the bandsaw and cut. Actually, I was giving Nafe grief earlier about numbering, but he's right, because these lines are angled. Everything has to be in its own place.
Coming back through.
He's right, I'm wrong. Here we go. want to know that was going to happen.